CSP MT600 cross various types of battery status that include battery voltage, starting voltage, and alternator charging voltage. It provides convenient and efficient solution for maintaining batteries for scooter, motorcycle, and car. This charger is suitable for different types of 6V and 12V lead-acid batteries like standard, AGM, maintenance-free, and EFB batteries. It has 1 and 4 amperes charging current, 1 ampere for the motorcycles and 4 amperes for the car's battery. Its interface is easy to use with 3 buttons to choose different functions and settings only with this button. It has LCD display that provides clean information about battery status, charging progress, charging type, and mode. This charger has 3 functions: battery charging mode, alternator, and starter tester. First, we'll see battery charging function. Connect the MT600 Plus with the battery, red to the positive terminal and black to the negative terminal of the battery. Choose the battery type and select the charging ampere with red button. If you are not sure the exact battery type, simply select MF mode. Press go button to start charge. After starting normal charging, the LCD shows charging sign and also the voltage of the battery. The charger continues until full, then stops automatically. In this way, it charges the battery. Second, we will see the alternator test, testing the alternator and starter. It doesn't require AC connection input, but it should be connected to the battery. Connect the battery with the charger, then set alter test mode and start your vehicle and increase your RPM, then you will see the alternator voltage. If the alternator is in the poor condition, then it will show the bad in the display, and if the battery is in the good condition, then it will show OK in the screen. Start test. Connect your battery to the charger, then start your vehicle. It will show the cranking voltage. If the voltage is in the poor condition, then it will display the bad in the screen, and if the battery is good, then it will show OK in the screen. If the alternator or starter voltage failures, it might have issues like undercharging, overcharging, or battery drain that affect the vehicle's performance and battery life. The device includes built-in safety failures such as overcharge protection, short circuit protection, and overheating protection to prevent damage to batteries, ensure safe charging operation, and anti-sparkling protection. It is compact, lightweight, and portable that is suitable for using at home and out. The charger comes with concealed hook, allows hanging in a suitable location during the charging process. Also, the charger is dust and waterproof. If this charger meets your requirement, feel free to reach out to CSP company at www.chargersite.com or connect with us via email, line, or other social media platforms.